Hey everyone, Matthew Letendre here. I just wanted to talk about in this video, I want to talk about the Exitus Elite sales team. I'm going to be talking about different aspects of Exitus Elite in this series of videos that I'm doing right now. And essentially what the Exitus Elite sales team is let's say you have some paid traffic coming to your system. To your Exitus Elite page, and they go through the lead capture page, they go through the sales page, they watch the sales video, and then it tells them to call the number at the bottom of the screen. So what's going to happen is they'll be given the options to have their questions answered, or if they can't talk right now, they have the option to also press, I think it's number 2, where you can get a call back from the Exitus Elite sales team. So it's basically a sales team that will help you close sales. So if the sales team can help you close the sale, you get an 80% commission. If you close the sale yourself, you get 100% commission. But you get an 80% commission for doing no work. Now, that's pretty incredible because originally Paul Stevenson was going to make it a 50-50 split. So 50% would go to Exitus Elite, or the person who did all the work for you, and the other 50% would go to you. But he decided to make it an 80-20 split. So I came in at the G1000. So if the call center closed the sale for me, I would get $800 of the commission, because it's a $1,000 commission, and then 20% would go to the person who helped get me that sale. They did all the heavy lifting. They did all the questioning. Now, I can personally do it myself, and I do close a lot of my own sales, but it's good to know that it's there. That is one of the reasons why I love Exitus Elite, is because it is there. And no matter how much traffic comes through my page, there's going to be someone who may actually call that number and get their questions answered. And if they can close the sale, I get a commission for doing absolutely no work. Now, the other thing I love about this concept is, for those who are brand new and just want to start making some money, they can start potentially getting some customers and some commissions. Now, am I going to guarantee everything? Absolutely not. I never guarantee anything, because there are many factors that go into it. Sometimes it takes people multiple times seeing your opportunity before they end up deciding to join you. Now, so that's why I never guarantee that you're going to make thousands and thousands of dollars in your first day, or something stupid like that. I'd be a fool to say, yeah, you join today, you'll be making 5 G1000 sales by the end of the week. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm a realist. I know there are some people that are going to come in that are brand new, that have absolutely no idea what they're doing. And then there are going to be some that come in and they make all kinds of money. It depends on your experience, because this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is a 100% you are going to be the failure of your business or the success of your business. You have to put in the work. You have to get out there. You have to get seen, get heard. Whatever it is, the way that you want to get out there, that's what you're going to do. So this is all I want to say in this video, just about the sales team. So again, if they make the sale for you, you get an 80% commission. So what's going to happen is you're going to get the full commission like you normally would. if you close the sale yourself. But Exitus Elite is going to send you an invoice of the 20, and it's going to tell you how much you got to send to the person who did the work for you. They're going to tell you whatever the 20% commission that you have to send back. They're going to send you an invoice, and then you send that to them after your commission clears in your bank account or whatever, and then you're going to send them their commission. So that's essentially what's going to happen. And the cool thing about Exitus Elite is you get paid instantly. PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, Stripe, Venmo, Zelle, all kinds of different options. So that's all I'm going to say in this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel so you'll get notified when I upload new content. I also upload motivational content as well on top of my Exitus Elite content, and that is because I want everyone who comes to my channel to be motivated, to not give up on their dreams and goals, because that's why I started this channel. So don't give up on your dreams and goals. It's never too late. You just got to work hard, do what you got to do, and that's it. So I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your week, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.